my Craft Kit Club from scrapbookingstore.com, and I took it out of the packaging. This month's kit is called Happy Travel by Simple Stories. And let's get this looked at. Looks like the top of the world looking down with horizontal geotags on yellow. Again, the world looking down. Oh, fun cut aparts. I like that. That'll be easy to use. Blue with colored flowers on it. Pink journal page. Blue, I love blue. We're going to a hot air balloon show this summer. Perfect. Little tags. One side. Oh, I like that side, the green. It's got words all over it, like Rome, adventure, vacay, good times, luggage, like that. Flowers on mint. Orange world looking down again. Tags. I like tags. I like that. Oh, journal page. I like. I'll definitely use the journal page. Cut aparts. Mint with polka dots. More cut aparts. Wow. This book or paper pad is loaded with them. Stripes. More cut aparts. Wow. Ooh, I like that page. All right, let's see what the sticker is. Sheet. Oh, this will be easy to use. I used up the last sheet completely from the last travel kit I got. And I did drop down to just one kit now instead of two, because there was some kits I was not getting used up. And then let's see. Sticko themed stickers. Travel. Simple stories, journal bits, pack your bags, 26 pieces. That'll be fun to use. Ooh, I like handmade stickers by Little Birdie, and it's poofy cameras. Yay. And then from Temu, I have not been ordering much from them. Let's see, what is this one called? Sea Wonderland. Let's open this up so you can see it. Well, it doesn't want to let me in. Well, you're just going to be a turd bird. I do have some nails, and I'm trying to get it to... There we go. Got it started. And I know what this one is. It's icicles. And it's perfect for me living in North Dakota with the winters here. Well, it's icicles dripping down, and I like that. And this one, as you can tell, I just got this stuff. I'm just opening it. And this one is a floral. See if this one will be easier to get into. Apparently not, but it's a floral one. And I'm liking these washi tapes better than the other ones. I'm actually using them up, which is great. All right, I'm going to go for now. I will be doing another video soon because I have been working like a mad lady lately, getting all of my December pictures done. I got everything to do except pick up the album for my December daily. I got that done in like 2 days. I just very simply did it, and then I've been doing layouts on top of it because I had a iris photo container full of Christmas pictures sitting on my desk, and it was taunting me, so I had to get it done. All right, I will let you go for now. Have a great day or night wherever you're at, and bye for now.